La 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 la. Ooh, I wonder how that plant grew so fast.
Well, Billy, that's an easy one.
Where'd you come from, stranger? My mom told me not to talk to strangers.
Well, Billy, I'm a scientist, and that makes it okay.
You don't have the right to touch me there.
Well, that aside, don't you want to learn about the magic of photosynthesis?
Not really.
Well, that's too bad, Billy. You're coming with me.
Ah, you're hurting my arm, Mr. Scientist.
Oh, let's go. You're gonna learn about photosynthesis. Get in the car. Get in the car. Little Billy, this is my laboratory.
Bah, 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 bah.
And we're gonna learn about photosynthesis. Now, Billy, you see, photosynthesis contains two main reactions. The light-independent reaction and the light-dependent reaction.
Jeepers, Mr. McClure, that sounds like fun!
Oh, it is, Billy. It is. Alright, Billy, next why don't you take a look into your microscope and tell me what you see.
Gee, Mr. McClure, that sounds fun. It appears that light is entering photosystem 2.
That's exactly right, Billy. And do you know what that means?
The electrons are getting excited.
That's correct, Billy. After the electrons get excited, they move through a thing called the electron transport chain. Basically, the electron transport chain, or ETC for short, moves the high-energy electrons to photosystem 1, where it is struck with
light.
That's exactly right, Billy. But wait, Billy, there's more. When the electron transport chain carries the high-energy electrons, what is pumped into the thylakoid space?
The H plus ions are pumped through the thylakoid space into the thylakoid membrane.
That's exactly right, Billy. Once the electrons get to photosystem 1, they are pumped through another ETC to NADP+. This produces what?
NADPH.
That is exactly right, Billy. Now, Billy, after NADPH is produced, the H plus ions in the thylakoid space are pumped back through the thylakoid membrane through what we call ATP synthase. ATP synthase takes an ADP and converts it to an ATP.
That's exactly right, Mr. McClure.
I know, Billy. I'm a scientist.
Well, Mr. McClure, aren't we forgetting about the Calvin cycle?
That's exactly right, Billy. Tell me all that you know about the Calvin cycle.
Well, in the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide molecules are used to produce glucose.
That's exactly right, Billy. Now, also in the Calvin cycle, ATP from the previous reaction becomes what?
ADP.
That's perfect, Billy. One more question, and then we should just about be done. And you're ready to become a licensed scientist. NADPH from the light-dependent reaction is transformed into what?
NADP plus.
That's it, Billy. You're ready to become a scientist. Let me just sign off on your paper.